Here I'm moving icons around, and when I left click on an icon I can open its content. For example, here PDF of an article. I also extract some content, for example a specific page. I can move from the previous or next page, and the images extracted from the PDF are highlighted here if it's the current page, or grayed out the previous one if it was from any other page basically. So again, I can move content and I can drop it. It's going to snap, and if it goes to a target, let's say the specific area on the left, it's going to highlight it in another color, for example here in red. Now again, I can move through the document. When I'm finished, I can close its content. What I can also do is move or open other documents, namely layout documents, hence the little icons on top. The 3D sphere represent how content layout, so we have two post-it notes on the right, and if I open it, it's going to open again the post-it notes and put them in the right position. So those files don't have content themselves, rather they describe the position of other content. Also, we can see here that document has been is in red, and it's in full red, or there is no more wireframe when we pick it, so it's to distinguish two different states, namely being picked or not picked. I can grab another document, here another PDF, and then you can see the plate under which it was in full rather than wireframe. So the viewer, namely what allows to go through a document, can be closed. The instructions, the UX for it can also be manipulated directly so that we can move them to other positions. So another layout here, a special one, is a layout where the documents are 3D models. So here we're inside a 3D world because the position of the 3D models were described by that layout file. Now for the next demonstration, so again, as the previous one, it's all based on the ongoing set of prototypes where I was drag and dropping file on desktop. So here we see the icons instead of a list of documents. So same, I can move them around freely. They snap back in position, can be aligned with the desk. And if I drop it just right, namely on the white plate, you will see that the device, the Remarkable, what I'm sending the files to, is blinking because it has to restore its own interface. So basically the document here dropped on the white plate. This document, namely the PDF of an article, is now transferred and converted in order to be usable on the Remarkable Pro. So if I search by file name, namely r.pdf, I can open this. The goal being, so you can see it's the same content, the same actual paper, of not having to read fully the whole document in XR, but rather anywhere.